Skin the color of bark, clothes smelling like trees, digging my roof on my roots and weed. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned in no deed. Life is just that dark. Clothes smelling like trees, digging my roof on my roots and weed. My truth bleeds right back in the arm. No scar, but I left my mark. My friend got cleaned in no deed. Life is just that dark. But life is just that bright that when the sunset shines, I seen the graffiti rights. I'm back tonight with a stack to life. In honor of the past I write. I'm wide open with no glass of wine. Stuck in the barrel, I'll get better with time. While you measure how the pleasure declines, I'm stacking cheddar while the bed just rise. With my eyes and my ears glued here on my grind, cutty. Creeping on the combine. I'm sleeping to the sunset. Selling secrets to the drum thumbs. Pledge allegiance to the blood pump. Until I left my last leader, here's my one love. And all these angels got their guns up, but no fear with my teeth, with my tongue touch. I am here and I speak for the young bloods. You seen the flood and they drug all their elders up. It says sail through the world in the name of trust. Hard work and the crux that it made in us. I'm about to bust on my veins full of cold dust. The 1985 California cold rush. In the spine plus the flesh that it holds up. I'm out for mines and my wolves got us stoned up. One pro, one eagle on my shoulders. And my eyes hold the light that approaches.
Les Birds.